Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to another video. So this is gonna be a good one. I get it. You wanna lose weight, you wanna build muscle, but you're on a budget. I got you, fam. So I came up with this simple meal plan, whether you're doing a balanced diet or whether you're doing a ketogenic diet, low carb diet, I got you covered. So in this video, I have 10 simple meals. 10 simple meals, depending on what your goals are, depending on what you're trying to do, you can spread these meals out. These meals right here, these 10 meals come out to $1.83 a meal. You can afford a $1.83 meal. I mean, just think about it. You go to Chick-fil-A, you go to McDonald's, you go to KFC, or wherever you go, Chipotle, you're gonna spend at least $10 easy, right? $10 easy going out to eat. Here you go, I got you covered. So what we got today was 80-20, just 16 ounces of 80-20. We got 3 cans of green beans, boil in a bag rice, which was probably a little more expensive. It would have been cheaper if I would have got the bag, but your boy Goody does not know how to cook rice, so I gotta boil it in a bag. I know. And then we got some eggs, the all legendary eggs. You can't go wrong with eggs. I'm gonna break down the macros for each meals, and again, you can customize this any way you want. If you want to switch out the rice for cauliflower rice, you can find cheap cauliflower rice. And let's go over each meal. So what we have right here, this is what I would say is your high carb day, or if you're someone who wants to do a balanced diet. And so what we have right here is chicken breast and green beans, or you can mix it up with chicken breast, green beans, and white rice. You could go low carb right here. This is just high protein, low carb, or you can go balance and go high carb day, which is what I would eat if I was training on a leg day or a heavy deadlifts or back day, chest day. I would eat a balanced meal. I would have this before my workout. So if I do eat carbs, me personally, I'm gonna make sure it's before a workout or after a really intense workout. I like to put those carbs to use. Coming up right here, we got your heavy fats keto meal. What we have right here is 3 whole eggs, 3 ounces of 80-20, and then 100 grams of green beans. This is just a traditional low carb ketogenic meal, high fat, very low carb if you're someone who wants to follow that diet as well. And again, this is a keto light meal right here. So what we have right here is 6 ounces of ground beef with green beans. Simple, easy, and these meals average from 400 calories to 450 to 300 calories. So obviously your ketogenic meals are gonna be higher in calories. The higher calorie ones are gonna be 458. Obviously they're gonna be higher in fats. That's why they're in higher calories. But again, simple meals. And then what we have right here is hard-boiled eggs with some rice and green beans. Again, these are just all balanced meals. And the best thing is you can customize these. Maybe you wanna go all ketogenic meals. So then just eliminate the rice, throw some cauliflower in there, throw some avocados, whatever you want to do. But you can make meal prep and you can make a meal plan very, very cheap. Again, I can't stress it enough. $1.83 for each one of these meals. These are healthy, these are whole foods. This is gonna help me stay lean. This is gonna help me build muscle. It's very easy to food prep. I started at 9 o'clock, it's now 10:10. I completed it, I'm done. Now I got meals for the rest of the day, and I save money because your boy Goody is very, very frugal. We have your chicken and rice meal is 444 calories, 74 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fat, 42 grams of protein. That's key. And then our ketogenic meal right here is 458 calories, 5 grams of carbs, 31 grams of fat, and 35 grams of protein. And then right here for our kind of balanced meal, this is 314 calories, 22 grams of carbs, 15 grams of fat, and 23 grams of protein. And then we have our keto light is what I'm calling it right here. 454 calories, 4 grams of carbs, 33 grams of fat, and 31 grams of protein. So what I like to aim for is at least 30 grams of protein per meal. I obviously know I did not hit it in this meal, but that's okay, because at the end of the day, it'll all average out. but this is simple, this is clean, this is the way you wanna do it. So if you're gonna try this food prep, let me know in the comments below. I don't wanna hear any excuses. Logan, I'm broke. Logan, I don't got no money, but I see you eating at Chick-fil-A, I see you eating at McDonald's, I see you at Chipotle. Stop all that, that adds up, man. $10, $15. And look, if you're a bodybuilder, I bet your ass you're getting extra guac, you're getting extra chicken, extra steak, so it's probably not even $10, it's probably closer to $15. No bueno, bro, no bueno. This does not take a lot of time. It only takes effort and dedication. And I got my little Camila right now. Roger screwed her around her. High five, my love. No, she's a little bit sick. She's a little bit under the weather, but she's gonna get better. So there you go, guys. I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you guys got something out of it. Look, I understand a lot of you probably gonna look at these meals like, bro, that is boring. Guys, switch it up. Use whatever condiments you wanna use. You wanna use sugar-free ketchup. You wanna use your favorite seasoning, whatever you wanna use. I just wanted to show you how easy it is, how simple it is to obviously create a meal plan on a budget. For all you cheap, you know what, okay? Are you cheap college students? Are you frugal dads? Hey, I get it. It's hard times, right? It's very hard times. So anyways, guys, that is it for the video. Make sure you go check out biocoach.io. Sign up to get your free glucose and ketone monitor and free strips every single month. No need to renew. The meter will automatically track your strips and know when you need more, and it'll automatically send them to your house. So biocoach.io, link will be in the description below. Show some love, show some support. Anyways, guys, I hope you liked this video. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.